Want GoHenry free in 2026? Here's how, fast and easy. GoHenry helps kids learn money, and we've got working promo codes for 2026. Step 1. Sign up using a promo or referral code. Open the GoHenry app, tap Get Started, and enter your promo code. Most codes unlock a free trial or a discounted first month. Check the expiration. Try codes free 2026 or go 2026 at sign up for available offers. Next, verify your account, add a child profile, and set pocket money. Tap the card controls to lock, set spending limits, and manage allowances. Tip: use referral links from friends or creators to stack free months. During trials, there are no surprise fees. Cancel anytime before billing. Recap: sign up, enter free 2026, verify, and enjoy the trial. Download GoHenry now, try free 2026 today, and teach kids vital money skills.